In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a stunning letter-shaped photo collage with Canva, a popular and user-friendly graphic design tool. Let's dive in, step by step. First, we're going to open up Canva. If you haven't got an account yet, it's super quick and easy to set up by simply following the on-screen prompts. Once you're in Canva, you'll want to start by preparing your image. Choose a photo that you want to work with, one that truly speaks for your project or personal creativity. Whether it's from your collection or one of the free images available on Canva, make sure it's the perfect fit for your design vision. Once your image is ready and uploaded, right-click on the image you've selected. A menu will pop up, and from there, you'll need to select the Set as Image Background option. This action is crucial as it allows the image to fill your design area, setting the stage for your letter-shaped collage. Next up, we head over to the Elements tab, which is home to all the shapes and icons that Canva offers. Within Elements, scroll down to find the Frames section and locate the letter frame that corresponds to what you'd like to spell out with your collage. It's a bit like creating your personalized letter art, and this is where it starts to get really fun. Now, it's time to select all the letters you need for your design. One by one, pick each letter frame that corresponds to your intended word or initials. Once you've got all your letters, it's important to adjust the size and position them just right on your canvas. This is your chance to play around with the arrangement, ensuring it looks balanced and visually appealing. The next step is to place your image onto each letter frame. Drag and drop your image from the uploaded section into each letter, making sure the pictures in each frame are expanded to the same size as the original image. This is key in maintaining a consistent and professional look throughout your collage. Take your time here to ensure each of the letters aligns perfectly with the image. After you've repeated this process for each letter, go back to the Elements section again to add a square shape. This shape will serve as the background color element to enhance the overall design. Once you drag it onto your canvas, you'll need to adjust its size so that it doesn't overshadow your letter collage but complements it nicely. Now, by changing the square's color to white, you can create a subtle yet effective contrast. Then, right-click on the square, and in the pop-up menu, select the layer, followed by Show Layer. The final move is to drag this layer to the bottom of the letters. This adjustment adds depth and a professional touch to your design. And there you have it. Follow these straightforward steps, and you'll have a beautiful letter-shaped photo collage you can proudly share or use wherever you need it. Thanks for watching, and happy designing.